Here's how to optimize images for page speed in Unbounce. In your Unbounce dashboard, select one of your landing pages and click Edit to open it in the classic Unbounce builder. This is where you can manage and optimize all your image assets. On the left-hand panel, find the Image widget. Click and drag it onto your page and drop it wherever you want your image to appear. When the upload window opens, choose an image from your computer or your image library. To make sure your page loads quickly, avoid uploading very large image files. Stick to images that are properly sized for your landing page layout. Uploading unnecessarily large or high-resolution images can slow down your page speed. If your image looks too large once uploaded, resize it directly in the builder by dragging the image's corners or adjusting its dimensions in the Properties panel. Unbounce provides built-in compression options. Go to the Page Properties tab on the right-hand side, then scroll down to the Page Image Quality section. Make sure to check Compress all PNG images on this page. This will automatically reduce PNG file sizes. Also, keep the JPEG image quality on its default setting. Unbounce automatically optimizes JPEGs for best quality and performance balance. Optimize background images too. If you're using background images, make sure they are also not oversized. Use compressed, web-friendly formats like JPEG or WebP and scale them to the size they'll appear on the page. Once you're done optimizing and compressing images, click Save and republish your page. After republishing, you'll notice faster loading times and better results in your page speed reports and analytics. And that's how to optimize images for page speed in Unbounce.